OCR GCSE Computer Science, Episode 8, Units. Computers use ones and zeros to represent the flow of electricity. So 1 means that the electricity is flowing, and 0 means there's no electricity flowing. Now each 1 or 0 in binary code is called a bit. In the binary code 101, there are 3 bits present. Now, the normal number system we use, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is called denary, and the ones and zeros are called binary. So, denary, the one we use now, is called base 10. So, it means the value moves up by a multiple of 10. For example, in the number 3140, 3 represents 3000, 1 represents 100, 4 represents 40, and 0 represents nothing. Now that's why it's called base 10, because it moves up by multiples of 10. Binary moves up in multiples of 2. That's why it's called base 2. So it would be, and it also is from right hand side to left hand side. So it goes 0, it goes 1, 2, 4, 6, etc. It keeps doubling the value. Here are all of the units of data conversions that you need to learn. So as we said, the bit is the smallest value. It could be a 1 or a 0, a single binary digit. Then you have what's called a nibble. Now a nibble are 4 bits together. A byte is 8 bits together, so a byte is made of 2 nibbles and 8 bits. And then you have a kilobyte, which is 1,000 bytes. A megabyte, which is 1,000 kilobytes. A gigabyte, which is 1,000 megabytes. A terabyte, which is 1,000 megabytes. And a petabyte, which is 1,000 terabytes. And a terabyte is 1,000 gigabytes, sorry for that. Now, let's do some exam question practice. Different units of data can be used to represent the size of a file as it changes in size. Fill in the missing units of data using the list given. So you've got byte, gigabyte, megabyte, and nibble. The units of data increase in size from the smallest to the largest. So pause this video to answer this question and let's look at the answers now. So it should be bit, nibble, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, petabyte, and terabyte. Or gigabyte, sorry, and terabyte. Let's move on to another exam question. Jane answers an examination question about computers and data correctly. 6 different words or numbers have been removed from her answer. Complete the sentences in Jane's answer using the list given. Not all items in the list need to be used. So you need to fill in the gaps, and pause this video to fill it in and we'll go through the answers now. As humans, we process analog data, but a computer cannot process this type of data. For a computer to be able to process this data, it needs to be converted to digital data. As humans, we mostly use a denary number system. This is a base 10 number system. Computers use a binary number system. This is a base 2 number system. And let's do some more exam question practice. Explain the differences between the binary number system and the denary number system. This is a 4 marker, so think about everything we've discussed. Okay, so things you could have put in your answers. The binary number is base 2. The denary number system is base 10. The binary number system uses only 0 and 1 values, whereas the denary system uses values from 0 to 9. The binary number system has units or placeholders or column headings that can increase by the power of 2, whereas the denary has the same thing but it increases by the power of 10. And binary has more digits for the same value, or denary has less digits for the same value. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and easier to understand the concepts. There's not many computer science videos on the internet, so I hope you find this one helpful. And make sure you subscribe to Know for GCSE and Know for A-Level if you did find this video helpful. Thank you again so much for watching, and see you soon.